Perfect.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good Lord, where am I at? 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Oh, where's my light? All right, there it is. Okay, good stuff. So happy you're here, guys. So happy you're here. Today is another day that we do crypto. Crypto is the future. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition, where we show you that you don't need light to do a live stream. And matter of fact, I would love everybody to do a YouTube channel. And I would be honored to be your first subscriber. YouTube is where it's at. All right, moving on. Smash the like, guys. Smash the like. It really does help support the channel. And when you become a YouTuber, you will realize how valuable these likes are. How valuable every single comment is. Whether it's a smiley face throughout the live stream, whether it's asking questions for other members to answer, whether it's asking questions for the host, you're going to realize that all this is super important, because what it does, it drives engagement. And YouTube sees, oh wow, they're doing hearts, they're doing floating, whatever. There's a lot of chat in there. They're asking questions. You know, the host is doing. The internet is very smart. So the algorithm sees all this stuff and said, you know what? Let me post this on somebody else's homepage and see if they join. And then if they join, they like what they're doing. And then you're asking them questions too. Boom, boom, boom. More interaction, and then it just blows up. All right, moving on. So thank you guys for being here. I greatly appreciate you here every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. That stuff's boring. That stuff's too confusing. I have a simple brain, and my simple brain, it trades off of support and resistance. Why? Because that's what the price action is doing. But Joe, I have all these indicators that make me look really, really smart, because my mentors or the people that I'm watching on YouTube, they have all these indicators, and man, they're dressed all nice. They articulate, they have big words. They say words that I don't even know, and I got to look it up. These guys are really smart, and they're very successful. They made a lot of money. Yes, granted, they have groups, the whole nine. Joe, why would I listen to you when you trade so simply? Like these guys, I'm in awe, because these guys look very, very smart. Okay, I have a question for you. Always ask why. I have a 2-year-old mindset. Always ask why. Why are they using that indicator? What does it show them? How is it beneficial to the trade? For example, moving averages. Let's say you have 30 moving averages. How is that beneficial? Like, explain it to me so I can learn. How is the volume rate? Let me just show you all the way down here. This used to be one of my favorites. The visible range volume profile. How is this important? Well, it shows you a low volume node. I can kind of see it. I can kind of see it. And when I say kind of, I mean I can. Oh, let's do that. Confirm, yes. When I say yes, let's go to the review chart. Let's do a daily, why not? So here, I can see that this is going to create a low volume node. I can see this. I don't need an indicator right here to make me look smart. I don't need an indicator to say, oh, look at this low volume node, or oh, look at this PLC, point of control. I can see the price action. So I challenge you, if you know anybody who does trading, I would be very interested, and we can even do, it doesn't have to be live, but it can be like a recorded show and then I post it. But what I would like to do is just ask them. Now, granted, just know you will be muted, you will be deleted, you will be removed from their channel, their groups, everything, because they don't like people asking them questions. They want sheep. They don't want people who think for themselves. I do. I want to build, I want to create, I want to mold you into a trading warrior to where you understand the concepts of trading. You ask why. Why do we use this? What does it show me? Can it benefit me? Me, I love using the RSI. Why? So that I could buy on oversold? No, never. Man, I won't buy oversold. Why? So you can sell on overbought? Are you kidding me, man? I buy overbought RSI all the time. Why do you use the RSI then? Well, for one, I know people use this. And I know if they see this on my chart, they're going to say, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. But if I don't have any of these indicators on my chart, this guy's a fool. He doesn't know what he's doing. Because you see everybody else. So what does it show you? So that's a question that you have to ask. Relative strength index. It shows you the relative strength. It's in the name. It shows you the momentum. That's what it shows you. The momentum. If it's above the 50, well, then it's good. If it's below the 50, it's not so good. Moving averages. What do the moving average? Ask these questions, guys. Why do you use the moving average? Oh, because it's a magnet. The price action is going to come down. Moving average. It's not moving average magnet. It is a moving average. It is an average of the candle body closes. The price action is the driver. It determines where the moving average is going to go. If the price action continues going up, well, guess what the moving average is going to do? Since it's the average of the candle closes, it's got to try to catch up to the price action. Well, but Joe, the price action came down like a magnet to the moving average. No, the price action found resistance and it came down. Since the moving average is trying to catch up to the price action, well, guess what happens? The price action comes down and now the moving average is matched up to the price action. The price action is the cause. The moving average is the effect. Because of this, the effect is this. So I'll give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Ask these questions, guys. Ask these questions to your mentors. But I guarantee it, though, if you're in a paid group and you ask these questions, you will be muted. You may even be removed. They don't want you to ask questions. They want you to remain a sheep. A sheep is very easily to be manipulated. You know, all they got to do is have those sheepdogs, which are admins, possibly, to guide you to where you need to go. That's what they do. They don't want you straying off. They don't want you thinking for yourself. For me, I encourage it. And that's why I show you all of my tips and tricks. I show you all of my thought process. I don't say, oh, I can't say that. It's $99 an hour if you want to. And I'll put on a suit. I'll put on a tie. If you want the secrets, you got to pay me $99 an hour. No. I give it to you for free. For free. Now, if you use an indicator, I would love to know what it is and why you use it. Oh, no, Joe, you're going to beat me up. You're going to beat me up. I've been very successful. Hey, I want to be successful with it too. Share this stuff. And it's so funny. Man, it's so funny. I know a lot of people in crypto. A lot. And matter of fact, this maybe like 4 years ago now, one of the guys, I still talk to him. One of the guys like, Joe, look at this. I was like, whoa, man, that's pretty cool. Hey, but Joe, don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody this. And I'm thinking, dude, you have a group. Now, granted, it's not the person you may think it is. It's not him. Because he's not that. Anyway. And I was like, dude, that's amazing. Like, why don't you want me to share it? Joe, no. Don't. This is between me and you. Don't share this. Okay, I won't. And I haven't. Now, granted, since then, I've back tested it thousands and thousands and thousands of times. It's not so great when I first, as opposed to when I first saw it. When I first saw it, I was like, oh man, that's amazing. He showed me, because what he was doing, he was showing me where it worked. Not every single time. Then when I started back testing it, I realized like, I know it works 8 out of 10 times, which is great. Then it worked 8 out of 16 times. Okay. Then it worked maybe 100 times out of 300. Ooh, not so good. Then it worked maybe 100 times out of 500. Ooh, no. Then maybe it worked 500 times out of 4,000. Nah, it's okay. I'll go with the way I trade. So just kind of give you a heads up, back test this. Don't ever trust me. Don't ever trust me. Even though I tell you, I back test thousands and thousands of hours, thousands and thousands of times. Never trust me. I can lie to you. I can lie to your face. Never trust me. Always verify. Always verify. All right. Moving on. Man, Joe, that's a long intro. I have a long intro and my outro is even worse. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you. Dave P says, let's go. Let's go. Stop talking, Joe. We got Tallest. We got Tallest in the house. What's up, Joe? Hey, man, what's up to you? What's up to you? So happy you guys. So happy you're here. Dave P says, I like the shirt. Hey, man, I like this shirt. I love this shirt. I actually have like 3 colors. Granted, I just washed this one, so that's why it was at the beginning of the closet. But I have this one. I have a blue one. I rarely use the other one because that's further down the closet and I don't go that far back. I think it's like a gray or gray blue or something, but I have this color and I have a blue one. But yeah, I love this shirt. Let's see here. Jono says, Ferrari guy. I have no idea, man. I haven't heard from him in about a month. I think I told you all. One night he called me up. He's like, Joe, I just want to squash this. Dude, you're doing everything. You're the one suing me. You're the one trying to evict me. You're the one trying to do from my house that you gave, or mobile home that you gave me, and I'm paying the land, etc., etc. Well, I come to find out that the lawyer said the reason for the eviction is because I haven't paid in over a year. I didn't know this when I went to his house last month. He told the lawyers, because I was paying him cash, because that's what he wanted. No receipts, because we were best friends. And he told the lawyers that I did not pay him at all. That way I could default on my, because we signed papers, we had it notarized, the whole nine, for the land. And then on that paperwork, it included the land and the mobile home. But anyway, but yeah, man, I haven't heard from him in a month. I don't even think about him until y'all bring him up. I really don't. All right. Let's see here. Joan says, howdy, y'all. We are in the house. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. All right, guys. So if you have any coins you want me to do, any thought process you want me to give you, any questions you may have, there are no dumb questions. There are either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. Just know that. Because so many people are afraid to ask questions. You have questions on moving averages. You have questions on EMA versus SMA. What are they? What's the difference? Why do people use certain ones? Do you have questions on, what is the histogram? What does it show? If you have questions on volume, why are you entering on a trade that has increased price and decreased volume? That's divergence. Ask me any question. Like, this is the time for you to learn. I don't do any bait and switch. I don't say, oh, I can't tell you that. Join my group. Do I have a group? Yes, I sure do. But here's the thing, though. I tell everybody, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. So why do I show you everything here? Because I stand by those words. Like, I'm not going to give you little bits and pieces. Oh, well, if you want to learn how to trade like us, join our group. No. Watch these videos. Watch these live streams every single week, every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I show you how to trade. And then when, not if, but when you make money, you're like, man, this dude knows what he's talking about. I'm going to enter his VIP. Boom, done. That's what I do. I don't trick you with all these results and everything and then say, oh, join my VIP. No. Now, granted, do I show results? Yes, of course. Just to show people that we know what we're doing. We really do. And it's funny, too. It's funny. Everybody tells me, Joe, be more professional. I don't need to be. I don't need to have a suit on. I don't need to give you all these big words that you got to look up. No. I give you me. If you like me, great. If you don't, hey, go get scammed by somebody. Become a sheep for somebody. I don't want sheep. I want warriors. I want trading warriors. And that's what I do. That's what I do. All right. Let's see here. Jones says, do the big guys have an AI that does the trading for them? I'm sure they do. I'm sure they have bots. Just for when they're too busy. And I understand it, because this video that I made, they only got 20 views. I spent like 8 hours. 4 hours of, getting all the information that I wanted, then writing the script, then recording it, then editing it, then editing it some more, then putting in some stock footage, then editing it some more, then watching it a few times. It's like, nope, let me add this, let me do this. Then doing optimization for it, the whole 9. 20 views. I think like 4 likes. Joe, your stuff sucks. Well, I guess it does. That's why I don't like doing videos. I really don't like doing videos because I put a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, tears. A lot of tears, especially like an hour after I post. It's like 2 views. What? That's okay though. Hopefully one day people will see hopefully people one day see the opportunity they have with me. Hopefully they do. And I know I have a lot of VIP members that tune in from time to time, and they know the value. They know what I do. They know how the group is. They know all the hard work, blood, sweat, tears that I put in the group. I'm literally available almost 24/7. Literally. There are times where they'll tag me at 7 at night. boom, respond really quick, very quick. People that tag me at 1 in the morning, respond very quick. 3, 4, 5 in the morning, respond very quick. 9, 10 in the morning, respond very quick. So just kind of give you a heads up. Anyway, let's see here. Jono says 20 views for now, but 40 views next week. I hope so, man. I do. It's just very disappointing. All right, moving on. Joe, nobody cares about you, Joe. Tell us how we can make money. All right, calm down, calm down. Don't put me up against the wall. Calm down, guys. Let's make some money. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition, where I always have the longest intro. But if you start asking questions right away or charts right away, boom, boom, boom. This means just killing time. That's all that is. I see Tug says, Joe doesn't sleep. I'm too busy trying to make y'all money. Now, I know that y'all are gaining value from the VIP. I know this. But I want you to gain more value. I want you to watch these videos. I want you to ask me questions. And this is what I do in the VIP. Like, I'm constantly asking for charts. Like, let me review your charts. Like, I want to, I literally do. Even though, okay, so here's the difference, in my opinion, from everybody else and me. Everybody else, they want you to do the VIP. So they get money. And then you're just a number. For me, I already got your money. You're already in the VIP. I don't need, but what do? I want to build you up. So what I'm doing is I'm constantly asking. Now, granted, I'm going to say constantly asking, but I do ask. And of course, by me showing you these videos, it encourages, hopefully, the other members to post another chart and ask me more questions. And I have a lot of great questions in the group. Man, they're amazing. All right. Let's see here. Manuel, what's up, Manuel? Man, happy you're here, brother. Manuel, just to let you know, I didn't point to you because that's rude. You, and I'm not cross-eyed either. You, nothing wrong with cross-eyed people, but you, Manuel, man, you're my favorite. Don't get jealous, guys. JP, I can see you in the back. Don't get jealous. Let's see here. Tug says, a very quick response time in group. Because sometimes, well, most of the time, the questions that are asked, especially if it's a chart, they're time sensitive. And I want you to make the most money you can. Give you a heads up. Manuel says, a long time no see. Well, I tell you what, Manuel, you're in the right place. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know what you're thinking, Manuel. Joe, you've been streaming for 24 minutes. You haven't showed us anything. I'm giving you an opportunity right now to know what we do. Not only in the group, the VIP group, but also in the live streams. I go over charts. I give you setups. There's a lot of setups, guys. Oh my gosh, there's so many setups that I give in the free portion of YouTube. Now, granted, I'm not saying buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout, like all these other monkeys. No, because the stuff that we do, literally a monkey could do. Buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout. No, what I do is I tell you when they're ready. Even here in the YouTube channel, I tell you, set your alert from here. Wait for the 4-hour candle to close above this level, then enter. Or wait for it to close above this level, then wait for 2, maybe 3 candles, see if it gains support at a certain area, and then enter. I show you where to actually enter. That's what I do. All these other people, they say, oh, buy the breakout, buy the breakout. So if it breaks out and it retraces 20, 30%, and you had your stop loss at 15, you get stopped out. But yet it goes and it booms 85, 90%. Then they're able to claim, look, guys, we said buy the breakout. And here's 85%. Join our group. Then when you join their group, you realize that they're posting 15, 25 charts a day. That's too many in 1 week. Man, forget it. And it gets me so mad, so upset, because everybody is getting duped by these people who just want your money. For me, in the VIP, I post between 1 and 3 charts a day. That's it. That's my max. That's my max. And there's times where there's another coin or 2 that I want to do, and I don't do it. I let the VIP know, hey, I'm watching this one and this one. I'm going to wait a few more hours. And then at the beginning of the day, sure enough, 12:10, 12:15, whatever, AM, I'll post those too. Because I don't want to post 10, 15 charts like everybody else does, because now it reduces the likelihood of whenever we show results, you're in it. This one right here, we were in this one. It made huge gains, absolutely huge gains. Then we, of course, got stopped. We got stopped out, moved up our stop loss, the whole nine. Then on this one, we re-entered. I posted this one yesterday. Hey guys, 200 and something %. I forget what it was. That's what the max was. Our target was 50, 70%. I don't even remember, but you can see it on here. And sure enough, like, I'm very transparent, and I let you know we're re-entering within 1 day. 77%. Does this happen all the time? Nope. Will I sell you on those empty hopes and dreams and promises? Nope. I've been sold that. I don't like how it feels. I really don't. So for me, I'm not trying to bamboozle you. I'm showing you. So let's get back to the topic. What are the three steps for massive gains? 1, learn how to trade. Oh, that's boring. I don't want to learn. Okay, that's fine. 2, watch these live streams. I show you how to trade. I show you how to become successful without saying, oh, I can't do that. It's $99 per hour for mentorship. Here's my link. No, I don't do that. I show you exactly how to enter, when to enter, and why. That's the most important one. It's why to enter. And then, of course, the number one reason, the absolute number one reason or one step for massive gains, you already know, join the VIP. Stop messing around. If you have money, join the VIP. See what we do. See how we're different. Man, I've been in a lot of groups. So here's this for me. 1, I'm a registered nurse. I worked a lot of overtime. I love working. And had a little bit of money, okay? No wife, no kids, no nothing. It's all just spending money. Man, spending money like a rock star every paycheck. So what I did was I joined a group because I was investing in myself. I joined a group. When I joined that group, I realized, whoa, they're posting 20 charts a day, literally. And lost a lot of money. Then I said, all right, let me invest in myself further. And I had an additional 4 mentors now granted, did I learn from them? Really 5. Did I learn from them? I learned what not to do when trading. That's what I learned. Because I would ask, why? Why are we using this? Why are we buying the breakout and I'm always losing? So I actually have a definition of a confirmed breakout, a confirmed retest, which differs from everybody. Nobody teaches you the stuff that I teach you. Nobody. Because all they do is regurgitate the stuff that their mentors taught them. Now, why are they so successful, Joe? It's a numbers game. I'm telling you guys, it's a numbers game. It really is. Anyway, moving on. But the number one step for massive gains, join the VIP. And people tell me all the time, Joe, you're not very professional. You tell them, like, don't mess around, stop. I'm serious, guys. If you have money, don't mess around. Join the VIP, see the difference. If you don't have money, it's okay. Watch these live streams. Ask me questions. Use this as your free hour of mentorship. And I'll make you money. So to give you a heads up. Again, I don't do any empty promises or dreams or nothing like that. But on here, look. I want to say thank you, Joe. This is just recently too, last night or early this morning. I want to say thank you, Joe, for your training. I avoided buying these 2 coins earlier today as I waited for the 4-hour candle. But it didn't close above previous swing high. This is what I show you, not only in the VIP, but here in the live streams. I show you this because I want to get rich with you, not because of you. I want you to learn how to trade here so that you can make money, so you can join the VIP. I mean, as funny as that sounds, it's a brilliant concept. I make you money so that you can join the VIP, so we can make more money. And of course, I'm always in the charts. I'm always looking at stuff. I'm telling you when to move up your stop loss, when to exit the market, period, because I see what's going on. That's what we did last time too. When the market just dumped, I notified everybody prior to the dump. Anyway, see, so now I'm waiting for the new entry. This is what we do in the VIP. Let's see here. What did I post on this? Increase your trading knowledge, join the live streams today, join the group. All right, so this one was turbo. This person did a 5X, made almost 600%. And he actually made more than this because this was way before it actually moved more. And he just said that, he charted some coins while, let's see. Do you know what I love the most? I charted this coin while the group was already in. We were already in this trade, but because I show you not to be a sheep, I mold you into a trading warrior. I chart this coin while the group was already in the trade. Was up 200%. I saw the retrace and charted it and jumped in after, that's probably a J, jumped in after my technical analysis. I sent you my chart to me, and then after that, I placed a bid and off to the races. I am not a sheep anymore. This is what I show you here on the live stream. Not asking you to do $99 an hour so I can show you this stuff. I'm showing you it every single day. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This person says, I will slaughter this bull run. Yes, you will. Everybody in the VIP, everybody who's watching these live streams, and it's kind of hard to do if you've already been in several groups, because now you have to reprogram your brain. Because trading is only as difficult as you make it. It really is. Do you need all these moving averages? Do you need all these volume indicators? Do you need all these everything? No. I'm telling you guys, you don't. Makes you look smart though. So, thank you, Joe. You are molding me into a trading warrior or warrior. Yep. This is what it's about, guys. This is what it's about. Turbo going up 342%. Now, granted, do we do all this? No. Read what I say. Other groups that want for you to FOMO into buying their VIP, they just show this. 5 days. Boom. They don't say this. What do I say? We closed this trade and re-entered. So we re-entered this one yesterday, and I think we got like 77% max, but we moved up our stop loss. See, this is not, whoa, who says this? This is not our result, but members that may have stayed in, because again, these are just suggestions. The targets, the stop loss, these are just suggestions. You can take them, you can not take them, whatever you want to do. You can take more profits on the way up. You can be moving up your stop loss, whatever you want to do. I show you different ways of trading for scalp traders, for day traders, for swing traders, for midterm hold traders, for investors. I show you all these different methods. I show you as far as risk management, everything in the VIP. Now, here it says, but both targets hit and we're profitable. Matter of fact, we actually moved up our stop loss too. Anyway, so enough with this. Joe, you've been shilling your chart or been shilling your stuff. I'm not shilling and I'm not selling. I'm offering you the opportunity to stop getting bamboozled by all these other people that show you all these things that make them look good, because they're only selectively showing you the stuff that makes them successful as far as the charts go. When stuff I teach doesn't go right and it comes down, I still say, yeah, I would have entered here. Even though I know what happened, based off of my rules, we would have gotten stopped out. We would have re-entered, and guess what? We would have got stopped out. Who says that? If I'm trying to, man, I'm getting, I feel like I want to preach. If I wanted to sell you something, I wouldn't show you that. I would only show you my wins. That's what they do. That's what they do because they want to sell you. I don't want to sell you guys. I want to give you this opportunity. Join the VIP. If you have the money, do it today, guys. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. I'm giving you the opportunity. I'm not selling you. I'm giving you the opportunity to reduce your losses, increase your wins, have a different mindset when it comes to looking at this. This is what I'm trying to do, guys. Joe, why aren't you in a mansion? You know how to trade. Why don't you have nice clothes and a suit and everything and a Escalade or Rolls Royce? And why don't you have like 14, women behind you? Well, it takes money to make money. It does. It's much easier to make $100 with 1,000 than it is $100 with $100. Think about that. I know how to trade. Successful? Yes. Do I lose? Yeah, sure. We all lose. But Joe, you're so brilliant. Why are you losing? We're trading against people. So one thing that I love about this, that me being so real and not me trying to sell you and try to be all professional and everything else, one thing that I absolutely love is that I show you my wins, but most importantly, I show you my losses. Because when you see all these results of winner, 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 and you're like, man, I'm losing. What am I doing wrong? Why can't I get it? What's wrong with me? No, here, hey guys, we got stopped out. This and that. It's like, oh, so you got stopped out too, Joe? Yeah, no problem. We just set our alert here. We wait for a re-entry. We had a plan. We had a stop loss. It didn't go because either the market turned, Bitcoin did whatever. We're trading against people. Because of that, we got stopped out. It's okay. Losing is part of the game. If I was trying to sell you, I would not put a stop loss on these active trades. I would not put a stop loss. I would only show charts with buy the breakout. I would only show results of what the max gains were. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. I am not selling you anything. Giving you an opportunity. Change your life. Learn how to trade in the most simplistic fashion ever. I have broken it down. I have fallen on my face multiple times. Joe, stop talking. You haven't even done any charts. I want to see one in the chat if y'all are still here. I want to see the one in the chat if you're still here. I want to see a hashtag one if you're watching the replay. All right. So Jono says, Joe, can you please stop talking? Man, I'm already in your group. I know what you do. Just show me, man. Okay. Jono, why you gotta be so rude? All right, moving on. So we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily chart. This is our level of resistance. Right now it is underneath it, and we're just waiting. We are just waiting. If you want to, you could do a trend line. Nothing wrong with trend lines. This could be our trend line. We can do it right here. This could be our trend line. And this could be our trend line. I like this. Bear trap. Falling wedge. But Joe, that's a bull flag. Squint your eyes a little bit more. You'll see the falling wedge. All right. So I don't do patterns. Granted, I know how to trade patterns. But for me, it's about the resistance level, which is the trend line. Or support level, which is the trend line. So it just needs to break above this level. Keep it simple. 71. That's what it needs to break. So this right here is the level it needs to break. First level. Copy, paste. Oh, wrong one. Come over here, paste it. This is the level it needs to break. This is the main resistance level on the daily time frame. Now, what we would do is we would set an alert above. Now, notice everything I'm showing you. I'm showing you how to trade. We would set an alert above this most recent highest wick. So here's a wick. Here's a wick. This wick is right here. This wick is just above it. Then we have another wick just above that. So let's just set it above this one. And what we would do is we would say, you know what? I'm going to set an alert. I'm going to set an alert on this level. And this is what I really want to watch. I want to see if the price action breaks up this level, comes over here, hits our alert, and then what we do is we wait and see, is it going to bounce? So patience is the most expensive lesson that I had to learn. It really is. Because I entered, man, I'm gonna do long right now. I'm going long. But what happens if it gets rejected and comes down? Still in the straight. What happens if it comes up and it gets rejected right here and it comes down? I'm still in the straight. What happens if it starts coming up? Man, it's gonna go great. And then it gets rejected. And then it breaks. I lost a lot of money. Or I can just wait. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna come down or go up? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Now, one thing I like looking at is this. This is my hourly chart. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin dominance is slightly coming down. ETH is going up. And total 3, which includes everything except Bitcoin and ETH, is going up. So right now, this is saying that the market is doing okay. Now, does that mean that your coin is doing okay? Nope. This is just saying the overall market. Overall market. So, what's going on, Luke? Appreciate you for being here, man. Appreciate you for being here. We do have Tim in the house. What's up, Tim? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys for being here. We have Grant. What's up, Grant? So happy you're here, man. So happy everybody's here. You guys are the absolute best. So without further ado, right now, since we are at the very end of our live stream, Joe, you haven't told us anything. You didn't tell us how to make money. You just gave us their opportunity. Well, take this as a service public announcements, whatever it's called. This is something that's very important. Okay, let's look at Pepe real quick. Just do our 3 coins that we talked about really quick. Then we're going to do the other ones very, very fast. So Pepe right now, what I would do is I would set an alert right here at this level. Once it breaks above this level, you want to see it gaining support on this level. Wait for the 4-hour candle to close above this level to see if it's possible enter. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's okay. Watch these videos and I show you. Now, granted, I do apologize. I've been talking way too much. And because of that, these are the things that you need to look at and for. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, let me know in the chat and then I can go through it. But hopefully you get it. So STRUMP, would I enter this trade? No. Why not, Joe? It's going to the moon. It's going to the moon. When you posted it, it was about here, and now it's already gone 45%. Joe, let's get in. No, you can if you want. Joe, they're saying it's going to go to 5 cents. Okay. Let me know when you make your money. I'm not getting this. Why not, Joe? It's going. Don't think so. Because it could easily pump some more to the moon or dump city. Population, not me. Moving on. So NOT. We got introduced to NOT, I think like a day or 2 after it got released. I said I wouldn't enter this trade. I don't enter trades of newly released coins just because of the dump. I'd wait, etc., wait for it to break certain levels. Kept on coming down and down and down. They asked me again a few days later. I said, nope, it hasn't broken certain levels. Down, down, down. Then it just started booming. Man, did it boom. Well, when it came up here, I was watching it and I started noticing it coming down. I said, hey, maybe it reaches top. So I entered a short, made a little bit of money. Then it reversed and started going up. I was like, okay, cool. Actually, I did this one twice. And what I'm doing is I'm moving my stop loss. So I got stopped out in profit, got stopped out in profit again. And then it just like boomed. I think for this part right here, I only got like 2% profit before it started changing direction and stopped me out. But hey, I didn't lose, right? And now it's coming up again. Could come down, possibly. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the show. Let's do MAN USDT. This is going to be on MEXC. We've already been looking at this one before. For this one, I would recommend, oh man, what's the price range tool between here and, okay, 9%, nothing. Okay, so what I would do is I would actually put my alerts right here. So this is going to be your alert level. And we'll do alert here for us too. So YouTube with question mark for our alert. And then let's go ahead and click on this, go to coordinates, copy, put this, come over here, go paste, and then go ahead and set this as an alert. So this is what you want to do. You want to set your alert here. The 4-hour candle must close above this level. It must close. If it does not close above this level, don't enter. Now, granted, I never provide financial advice because this is not a financial advice channel. This is a channel that shows you how to trade in the most simplistic way. Moving on. That's what I do. Boom, done. All right, let's see here. DP says, too late, Joe. I'm not sure too late for what. See here, Manuel says, I'm here to stay. Good job, man. Good job. Can we take a look at GROK? Yes, definitely. All right. So let us look at GROK. So let's do YouTube. And let's go to GROK. GROK, USDT. This is on MEXC. GROK is looking pretty good. Let's go to the daily. So we're just kind of zooming out, seeing what we see. And let's do our magnet tool. Let's come over here. This is the rapid fire section. Rapid fire. This is a rapid fire section right now. It's right underneath resistance. What I'm doing, I'm going to a higher time frame, and I show you what I'm doing too, guys. I show you what I'm doing. Going to a higher time frame. We are looking for a pivot. What's a pivot? A pivot is a swing. What's a swing? You're not. Give me a definition. A swing is where the price action changes direction. It's going up. It stopped. It came down. We're doing this on the candle body closes. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Would I enter this trade? No. Why not, Joe? It's booming. It's doing a parabolic curve. Why wouldn't you enter? Well, because it's under resistance. I don't like going under resistance. I don't like it at all. Why don't you like it, Joe? Because it could come down. I wait. Where would you wait, Joe? I would wait. What is the price range tool between the area breakout and this 10%? I'll do the candle body close. So let's go ahead and do this right here, and let's put it above the candle body close, so about right here. And then what we're also do is Alt-J, and then click on this, do this, go to this, go over here, move this over, then go to alerts, and then go to this, go here, and bingo and a bango. So I set my alert right here. Wait for the now when you get alerted, the 4-hour candle must have closed above this level. Very vital. It must close above this level. If it does, then you're ready to enter. Now, granted, again, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who knows how to trade. But Joe, why don't we enter right now? Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's entering. That's fine. Not me. Too risky. Could it go? Yeah, sure. Now, granted, in the bull market, when it's full-fledged bull market, everybody's super bullish. Yes, definitely. Enter right now. Dude, this looks great. What are you talking about? But right now, it's kind of iffy. All right, moving on. Hopefully you like that. All right. Let's see here. Dr. Mink says, I love money, Joe. You know what? I love money too. So let's do it. Let's make this money, guys. That's my catchphrase. Let's make this money. Joe, we're missing out on so much money. Look at this, Joe. From 45%, it went all the way up to almost 80%. Dude, you don't know what you're talking about. Why would I not enter this coin? You cost me 25 or whatever percent. I forgot what it was. Percent. Why wouldn't I enter this right now? No, go ahead if you want to. I'm not. It's too risky. What I want to do is I want to reduce my risk, increase my profits. When you want to get rich quick, that's when you lose your money very fast. And believe me, I know this, guys. I'm not, oh, I read a book or I saw a website. No, I know this. Personal experience. Everything I'm showing you is from personal experience. Slow and steady wins the race. Compounding your gains. Using those compound gains for another entry or to add to your entry, it furthers your success. Moving on. All right. Let's see here. Next one is, we did GROK already. Let's see here. Dr. Ming says, you did tell. Let's see. Okay, good. So for anybody who wants to join the VIP, here is the Patreon. For anybody who wants to reach out to me and pay with possibly with crypto, then you can reach out to me on these links, send me a Telegram message and say, Joe, I'm done messing around. I'm ready to make money. I'm ready to make this money. All right, cool. If not, if you don't have money, hey, it's okay. Like most people, they join the VIP because they're tired of being pushed around, treated like sheep. And I had to say that really slow. Treated like sheep, because what they're doing is they're watching all these other people that are dumping on them. They're not showing you all the who, what, where, when, why, when it comes to trading. They're literally zooming in, zooming out, giving a level, enter here, but they're not showing you the thought process. That's what I do. That's where I'm different. I show you the thought process. And if you can afford it, great. If it's too much, guess what? I am highly interested. I am very motivated to make you money. Why? Why do you care about me so much? Well, for one, change your life. And for two, join the VIP. Make more money. Get more thought process. Get more videos on thought process. Get your charts reviewed with videos explaining what I see on those charts. Anyway, so to give you a heads up. All right. Let's see here. Manuel says, Joe, can you stop it already, man? Stop talking. Can you please do SLERF? Sure. So SLERF is another meme coin. This looks great. This is one of the main reasons why I love doing live streams, because y'all are looking at charts. I'm not looking at this chart. Now, guess what? I am. Why, Joe? What makes this one different? Well, here's our resistance level. Resistance, some wicks, resistance levels. It just broke out of it. It's got 4 minutes to go. Now, do I think it's going to retrace? Yes, I sure do. So what I personally would do, not financial advice, what I would personally do is possibly, after this candle closes in 4 minutes, wait one more 4-hour candle. Why would you do that? That doesn't make sense. Why not enter it now? Buy the breakout. Everybody says that. Buy the breakout. Well, let's look at it. In about 1, 2, 3, in about 12 hours, it moved about, let's make it 27%. In about 12 hours, it moved 27%. What other coins have done that? Not too many. So that's telling me this might come down. Maybe. Joe, you're just saying that because you see it coming down. No, it can continue going up. Another 10, 20%. But more than likely, the next candle, and mark my words, if I'm correct, join the VIP. Right? Not right now, but if I'm correct, join the VIP. If I'm not correct and it continues going, Well, then join the VIP. No, I'm playing. Okay. I want to show you something, guys. This is my thought process. Okay. This is what I think might happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows. It might come up a little bit more and then come down. The next candle, I feel that it will come down. What you want to do is you want to buy the break of this level. Oh, and another thing, whenever I'm looking and doing these levels, I'm always looking to the left. This may be your right, but this is my left. So just kind of give you a heads up. I'm all these things that whenever I draw stuff, it's never random. Like, oh, let me just go to this level and come down here. No, I'm looking to the left. I'm looking for support and resistance. So what I think, what might happen, it might come up more, or it could come down, but regardless, it's going to bounce in this general area and then come up. So what I would do is this is where I would enter. I would enter right here just because it's safer. Once it enters here, if the price action comes down, if it comes down, more than likely it's going to bounce here and then come up again. So then what you do is you enter once it crosses this level. If you wanted to, you could enter here. It's kind of higher risk because it could come down. But this is what I think. This is what I think might happen. Once again, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows. But this is the area that I'm looking for a bounce. From here to here. And we're just going to put green. And we're going to put it with a bounce. Green. Nope. Now my nose itches. Support bounce. Let's change this font size to 14. Yep. And there's your plan. There is your plan. Entry zone on support bounce. So if it comes here, you could do this. Is dangerous though. What I would do is stick to this, where the circles, white circles equal entries. So let's go ahead and write that out too. So let's put white circles equal entry, white circles equal entry ideas. Boom. Bingo and a bango. Bingo and a bango. That's what I think. Nice work on this one. So what I would do is I would actually set an alert above these wicks. So here's the tip, guys. You want to do your alert above the most recent high. And this is the wick. You want to enter on the break of the most recent high. Why? Why do you keep on saying that, Joe? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Why on the break of the most recent high? Well, this is resistance. The price came up and it stopped here. Right here. It came up and it stopped here. This is powerful. Price can do this for as long as it wants. Once it breaks up, we get alerted. Now we look, oh man, it's found all this support. This is great. So if it does come down, we have a very high possibility, nobody knows, that it's going to bounce again. So this is why we add to our entry here. So I'll give you a heads up. All right, I'm moving on. Ooh, we got one on the alert. And here's another thing too. Pay attention to any kind of alerts that I get. You might want to check that one out on your own. Give you a heads up. Let's see here. Swine one says, sir, can you check a BABYGROK? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? And guys, definitely smash the likes. Let me check the likes. Smash the likes. I want to see the likes come up. Smash the likes. Subscribe to the channel. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I give you alpha. Without charging you $99 an hour, nothing like that. I give you alpha all day. So let's do baby. So there it is. Boom. Look at that. I have alerts all the time. All right, BABYGROK. BABYGROK. MEXC. I don't like it. Man, I'm unsubscribing. I don't like it. Why? Why don't you like it, Joe? Look at the wicks. Sell pressure wicks, buy pressure wicks. The counterbuys are okay. Sell pressure wicks, buy pressure wicks. Then somebody bought $200 worth of this coin. I don't even know what the market cap is. Somebody bought $200, $400, $500, whatever, and it made the price move. Everybody who had coins down here has been holding forever. It's like, oh, I'm in profit. Let me sell. Dump city. Did it again. Somebody's like, oh, let me buy $100 worth. Boom. Everybody down here, man, I'm losing money. They sell it. Boom. I don't like this at all. I would not enter this coin. Couldn't you make a lot of money? Sure, why not? You can make any money with anything, but this one I don't like it 100%. Would I trade this? Nope. And if I did, it'd be like 20 bucks. So that's your TA on this coin. Now, granted, even though I may have just made an enemy, Joe, you don't know what you're doing. TradeIntuition, you have no intuition. That's humbug. Like we have a big group and this and that, blah, blah. I don't see it on the chart. This will get you wrecked. And for that reason, I don't chart it. I don't trade it. I don't like it. So hopefully you're okay with that, man. Sign one. Hopefully you are okay with that. All right. Let's see here. Manu says, I'm going to join the VIP. Nice. Next week. Good stuff, man. It's going to be the best decision you've ever made. I'm telling you right now. Hands down. I bet my life on it. If my mom was alive, I'd bet her life on it too. So I'll give you a heads up. It's unlike any other group you've ever been on or in. Give you a heads up. I truly am invested in you making money. Manu says, I'm done with solo trading. And you have a community. And that's what people love too. Like they can ask questions, and then other members answer too, plus I answer. It's a great community. Let's see here. Let's see. How can you check coin volume is incoming in a coin? Ooh, great question. So Manuel is not asking how do you check for volume that's already happened. How do you check for volume coming in? You can't. The only thing you can do is check Twitter to see if influencers are talking about that coin, or to check YouTube to see if influencers are talking about that coin, because that's future. So they have to put out the video, they have to put out the tweets, they have to put out all this stuff so that they can increase the exposure of that coin, and then hopefully they start coming in. But nobody can tell you what potential volume will be. Great question. Man, that was a great question. Love that question. Hopefully that made sense. If that made sense, I want a number 7 in the chat from everybody. If that made sense, I want a number 7 in the chat. So here we go. Roll Dog says, no way. Dude, we were at 800 at the beginning of the month. Man, 883 subscribers and growing. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. You're the best. You're the best. All right. Lenny Kid 777 says VIP rocks. And it makes me so proud. It really does. It makes me so proud that the people that are in the VIP, they're growing. Man, they're growing as traders. They're doing charts. I'm giving them updates on their charts. I'm doing video thought process on their charts. And their charts are fire. Like, such improvement. And especially, there's 2 or 3 that I would like to call out, but I'm not. There's 2 or 3 that have dramatically improved. So just again, you know, I show you how to get out of the sheep mentality. I show you how to become a trading warrior. And it's so cool, man. I'm loving it. I'm so loving it, because now we have members whenever I'm doing my screen shares, and I do quite a bit of screen shares in the VIP, in addition to all the stuff that I do as well. But in the last one, the one before that one, there was a coin that was kind of like here, and I look at the coins like, hey, I like it. So what's the coin? I do some fundamental analysis. I do some tokenomics. Break it down really good. As man, I really like this coin, and it's cool. Let's get in and make money. Everybody made money. So and again, it's showing me coins that I would not have otherwise looked at. So I love it. Let's see here. I've been watching 5 minutes and already lost 100 million PEPE. Ooh, whoa. Hopefully it's not because of me. Let's see here. Side one says I was going to invest. Ooh, no. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Could you make money? Yeah, sure. But no way. Just based off of the price action. Like this is a coin you do not want to get into, in my opinion. What coin do you want to get into? I mean, there's been coins that we've been talking about, so maybe those. Let's see here. Paperclip. What? Paperclip, what's up, buddy? So happy you're here, man. So happy you're here. This is what we do every day, Paperclip. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Paperclip must be out of work because normally he can't watch. So guys, on Friday nights, I'll probably post it in my group. On Friday nights, a very cool group of people. I actually hung out with them last Friday. It's a different side of me. Uh-oh. And you think I'm not professional now. Ooh. I'm more not professional, if that makes any sense, on the stream that I get on Friday. I just went there last Friday. I had a great time. Great people. And Paperclip's one of them. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Side one says, Joe, one more. If you can check out Pulse Chain. Trash. But Joe, everybody talks about Pulse Chain. What's the ticker? Pulse? Give me the ticker on that. I don't like Pulse Chain. I don't like the dude. I don't like... yes, do they have stuff that they have going on for them? Yes, of course. Do they have... I'm trying to pull it up. HEX. Okay, so it's HEX. Do they have things that are going for them? Yeah, sure. But I don't like the dude. So this is Pulse Chain. And this is Pulse Chain right here. It's called HEX. I don't like it. I don't like their community. They are a bunch of XRP army rejects, in my opinion. Now, if you love HEX, if you're part of the HEX army, great. Do I think you're going to make money? Yes. 100%. You are more likely to make money with HEX than that BABYGROK. Now, will I do, my friends have been trying to get me into this. No. I see the Kool-Aid. I see the Kool-Aid in the big old jug with a bunch of ice in there, and they got, some oranges and whatever in there, and it looks so delicious, but I don't like the person who made it. So because of that, I have a bias on this. Can I make money? Yeah. Do I want to participate in it? No. With that being said, let's look at the chart. Now, granted, I'm gonna tell you right now, I have a bias. I have a bias to where I don't want this chart. 4-hour time frame. Lots of sell pressure, lots of buy pressure. Let's go to a daily time frame so I don't see all these wicks. What's the accumulation zone? 25, 30. Okay, it's not bad. So we do have an accumulation zone of about 30%. So from here It's about here. So this will do gray, so we don't have a bias, unlike my biasness already. So we're not going to have a bias on this. We're going to treat this as a fair review. So let's go here. So we can see that from the bottom to the top, oh, it's a 42. Okay, no problem. It's about 42. Can we do it here? Oh, well, he has to do it here. Okay, and I'm looking for touches. I'm looking for touches. And let's see here. Let's go to this chat. Where's my chat? That's weird. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So looking at this, and our mid zone. We got to find a mid zone. So let's go ahead and label all this so we can see our support and our resistance level. So this is the range high, the range low. We need a mid range. So we're kind of dead smack in the middle. Looks good to me. Lots of candle bodies that stop. This is on the daily time frame. And would I enter this trade? No. Why? Because I don't like HEX. Stop asking me. No, play. Why would you not enter this one right now, Joe? Well, it's underneath resistance. That's why. And I don't like HEX. And, okay, so here is a, okay. So if you ever see me having a man purse, or a satchel, or whatever they call it. I call it a man purse. Some have like backpacks or whatever. Now, the little backpack I might do, but I probably won't. I just put my money in my pocket. That's where I've always had it. But if you ever see me with a man purse, if you ever see me walking out of a store with like 10 bags and all, you know, Gucci'd out and Louis Vuitton'd out or whatever, you have, I'm giving you right now, you can save this. I am giving you the right to punch me the F out. I am giving you the right to do that. I will not press charges. I will not seek legal action. You have the right to do that. So two things. One, if I have like one of those purses, men, in my opinion, should not have purses. Now, granted, people that I look up to who are very, very highly influential, they have purses. No. Put your money in your pocket. If your money's too big, then have your friends hold your money. But the only reason I can see to have a man purse is to have something in there for protection. That's the only thing I can see for. Anyway. That's what I think. What else was I gonna say? But you have the I would not seek legal actions against you. All right, moving on. So for this coin, when can I enter this coin, Joe? I like this project, etc., etc. Okay, I'm just saying, don't drink the Kool-Aid, man. Like, I don't know you, but I know you, and I'm looking out for you. Give you a heads up. All right. So what I would do is I would actually set an alert right here. Set an alert right here. Now, the 4-hour candle must close above this level. So with that being said, you must have a candle close above here. If the candle is so, this is fine too, as the price is coming up. So if the price is coming up, let's get rid of this one so we don't get confused. If the price is coming up, this is okay. 4-hour candle closed above this. What is the wick? And the candle's down here. Nope, I said candle close, where the candle body is. The candle body must close above this level. Now, what if the body closes right here, barely above it? It's a sliver. Nope, you wait one more candle. Are you saying I have to wait 4 hours? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. I don't like it. I don't like the wicks. I don't like the coin. I don't like the person. But you can make money. So that's what I would do. Set alert here. When your alert goes off, the candle must have closed above this level. Well, what's the level, Joe? The level is this level right here. That's the level. So give you a heads up. All right. I'm moving on, but I don't like that coin, period. Let's see here. See, this Elvis impersonator been following me. I think he's trying to get me to watch Road Dogg. I tell you what, guys, I love watching Road Dogg. He does his live streams at night. Sometimes it varies, 9:30, 10, sometimes 11. But very funny when a guest comes on his show that reminds me of somebody who cries a whole bunch on his show. I think that dude really needs to have more guy friends. I really do. And gives horrible TA, but this dude is very popular. He has a lot of money. Recently bought a new house in Florida. Beautiful house. Of course, he's got a family and the whole nine. And he's successful trader, successful person who has a group, everything. But I love it when a Road Dogg special guest comes on. Moving on. See, Manuel says coins need community for money inflow check. Yes. Let's see here. See here. But I'm here for the Trade Intuition. Trade Intuition is Tuesday. Oh, nice. It's Taco Tuesday. Hey, man, I went to Taco Bell the other day, or last week, I guess. It was a Tuesday. They're like, yes, we have a free taco for you. It's like, what? Why? It's Taco Tuesday. It's like, that's a thing? Okay. So I got my taco. But nice work. See here, you just need to accept. That's funny. Let's see here. I just can't believe you done editing a video to do a live. See, Paperclip says, man, plug my channel. Yeah, definitely. I don't have it on here, but yeah, definitely you can do that. Or send me a message, and I'll put it in there in case you can't do links. So with Paperclip, he does mining. He does like phone mining. So if you're interested in doing that, definitely check him out. I think you can click on his name and go to his channel. But yeah, Paperclip, yeah, definitely send me your stuff in the Telegram, and if you can't do it for this, yes. One Mean Games, Tucker. I've been looking at this one. This one, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's funny too. Like I was looking at their website. Tucker. You have to buy it on. I forget what it is, but let me pull it up. Yes, this one I was looking at it, and let's see. This one, Tucker Carlson. It's funny. 73 million market cap. It's going, and it's time to buy, in my opinion. Now, where can you buy it? You go to the markets. You can buy it on Radium. You can buy it on. That's where I get it from. Now, one thing, guys. One thing is you want to know where there's liquidity. I made a video about liquidity. If you haven't already, guys, I'm making some videos that's going to help you out tremendously. So here, how to trade without emotions. You definitely need to watch this. It is only 7 minutes. Then 3 factors: volume, liquidity, order books. You need to watch this video. 11 minutes, 12 minutes. Then how to find increasing volume. Volume is where people are going. This is very important. I show you this. Now, every video that you watch, definitely smash the like, definitely leave a comment or two, engage with the platform. When you do that, YouTube pushes this out to other people. Let's see here. This one is very good. It's 6 minutes. Then these are some recaps, which are very valuable information. This one's really good too. Like all these videos, they're going to change the way you trade. I'm giving you information. All right. moving on. So this is where you can buy from. So I believe I click on here. I always get confused. Yes, here's a chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, we're in this range right here. I would wait. I would wait to, I mean, it's gonna break it. It's gonna break it. It looks like it wants to break it already. Make sure mag tool is on. Come over here, go Control H, wrong one. You just saw my history. Let's see here. You can see all the YouTube videos that I was watching for box trucks. That's my dream. My dream, not to have a mention, my dream is to have convert a box truck into a house. That's my dream. I'm a simple man. I really am. All right, moving on. So it needs to break above this level. And it's right there too. Once it breaks above this level, people will start calling out, look guys, we have a double bottom. But right now, this could act as resistance and it could come down. Break this level, come down even further, break this level, come down even further. So right now, what I would do is, let's see, do we want to wait for a 4-hour time frame? What's the price range tool? This is one of my favorite tools, price range tool. Take off the magnet tool. From here to here, 18%. I probably wait for a 1-hour time, 4-hour, let's go 4-hour. Oh yeah, much better. So what I would do is I would wait for the 4-hour time frame to go, and I would actually be watching for this level, where's my ray, for it to break above this level, which we're only missing around 9%, but we're increasing our thought process. We're reducing our risk, increasing our profits. So this is, I don't know, let's go here. Text, nope. Coordinates, nope. Style, boring. Okay, so that's the level we need to do. So hopefully that makes sense. But check out the website. The website's funny. Let's come back over here. Oh, we're in the same place. Where's the website on this? There's this. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go to X. Let's go to X. And let's go to the, oh, what's that? Did I click on the right one? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's go to, where's our YouTube? Man, you're gonna make me type it in again. Okay, I just had to click it. So let's go to their website. Check this out. This is funny. So it actually does news. It does news. This one, I think it's going to be big. Right now, I'm not doing too many tokens on different exchanges as far as like, what exchange was this one on? I forgot already. Radium or Jupiter or Uniswap. I'm not posting charts on that because it's really hard to keep them updated, because if you exit the chart, then you lose all your stuff. Anyway, it's pretty funny, and I think it's going to be big. I do. And right now, this one is only 74 million. Could it go to 300, 500? My opinion. So, all right, moving on. Let's see here. When we get in the Dave P mini show in between Joe and Lane. Y'all want to do a show? We can do a show. Let me know. I would love to show my thought process. Those Tucker videos are fun. I haven't even seen them, but I heard about them. Okay, good info. Thanks. One Me Game says, how are folks getting chats to show on the stream? Oh, it is a I don't know if I can, like, let me be careful real quick. So it's an extension. What extension is it? Chat overlay for YouTube. Why is it not available? Anyway, I'm gonna do a screenshot so you can see it and what it looks like. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I have Brave browser, but it's a Chrome extension. And what you do is, hopefully you know where to find extensions, or you can just type in Brave extensions or Chrome extensions. But for Brave, it's actually like this. So I don't want you going to the wrong place. Brave, // extensions, and then you can search for this chat overlay for YouTube and Twitch, and this is what it looks like. So I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. Let's see, it's a browser plugin that works with YouTube chat. Awesome. I was thinking with super chats. No, I don't have the option for super chats, but I will pretty soon. Pretty soon. That'd be great. Joe, Hex's BABYGROK. Then this is my MERS. If you have a MERS, you got money. I'll still be your friend. I won't I'll let you pay for stuff. But so you're saying you use me? Hey, you're using me to act cool when you have a MERS. Why would you have a MERS? Do you really have that much money? Like, put it in your pocket. Put it in your shirt. Put it somewhere. But now if you have like pills and you have, you know, notepads and you have pens, like a purse, and you have stuff to protect yourself, okay. But get one of those backpacks. They have little backpacks. Those I can, okay, cool. Or have your buddies hold on to it, man. I can't see. Oh man. No thanks. Let's see here. I'm gonna use the AI to watch Joe 24/7. Soon as you touch a fanny pack, it's go time. So, in my opinion, okay, let's think about this. A MERS is a fanny pack. Which one is cooler though? I don't know. They both look the same to me. I'm trying to think, maybe the MERS looks better because it's like a backpack, kind of army, you know, strap, gun type thing with a strap, but it's still a purse. Like literally, it's a purse. Joe, you're just jealous because you don't have that much money. Shoot, man, I don't have any money. You're talking about that much. Like, how much money do you need to go out? Couple grand? You know, that's hundreds like that. Fold it. Put in your pocket. Like, do you really need to carry 40, 50 grand with you? What's the reason for the MERS? I'm trying to think. Like, if you have pills, like for, you know, heart conditions and whatever, maybe, because you can't keep those separate from out of the container. Put your phone in your pocket. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna AI a MERS on Joe. Oh my gosh. Killing me here, guys. You're killing me. That has to be the best. That has to be the best comment ever. I'm gonna AI your MERS on Joe. That's funny. All right, guys. Well, we had a great. Oh my gosh, we went 30 minutes over. Man, I hate doing that because nobody watches them. Like after an hour, nobody watches. But you know what? Today I had fun. I spent 30 minutes just talking about giving you the opportunity to change your life. But just give you a heads up. I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the best. And we do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have that notification bell on. And then when you can, join the group. Until then, watch every day. Ask questions. Like, I love questions. I really do love questions. And there are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. It's that simple. I would change the way you trade. I would change the way you think. I will get you out of the sheep mindset. And instead of just looking at other people to see what they're doing and what trades they're and talking about and everything. No. You're going to find your own trades. You're going to tell us about the trade you found. We're going to join that trade. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. I do thank you. This is the part where I look down for the awkward moment. There it is. 3, 2, 1. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. Wishing you another successful day in trading with the knowledge you've gained from today's live stream. We do this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's all I got. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. See you tomorrow. But until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care. Great stuff, guys. You guys are the absolute best. This has to be the absolute funniest thing I've seen. I'm gonna AI immerse on Joe. That is just too funny. Let's see here. Wow, I didn't get a bunch of these other texts that come up. So let's go ahead and read these real quick. Let's see here. I know where to find Mr. Jones now. Awesome. Road Dog says, dude will shilling group heavy in a few months when his new expense starts cashing up with him. Yep. Just a pattern he has. Yep. He shills hard when he needs money. Yeah, I noticed that too. It was really sad when I saw that. Let's see here. Those unregistered books of seeds phrases need some inspection. Nice. Let's see here. I feel bad afterwards when my guest appears. Haven't done that much lately. I don't know what you're referring to. 8 fee. I feel bad afterwards when my guest appears. I don't know what you're all talking about. See here. Road Dog says, gave you a sub. Oh, nice, for Paperclip. And we'll check you out later. Awesome. Yeah, so for Paperclip, what he does is he does the mining. It's pretty cool. You know, you do some mining, different ways of making money. And if your phone is not doing nothing, or, you know, your computer or whatever, it's literally, you know, making you money. Let's see here. Oh, when me game says, I don't have a merch, Joe. Those are fighting words. Whoa. Calm down. It's all fun and games here, guys. Fun and games. Let's keep it reasonable. Let's keep it reasonable. No fights here. Let's see here. What else we got? Catching up on the chat really quick. Okay. Road Dog says, now we know the the perfect Christmas gift for Joe. Oh, good Lord. You guys are crazy. Let's see here. Very good. See, Road Dogs. Oh, wait. One Me Game says, Road Dog, let's personalize it with. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Can I unsubscribe to y'all? What's going on here? How is this? Let's see. So hard to do short streams. Yeah, it is, man. It really is. Especially when you get a good group of people that ask good questions and everything else. So today was really good. I liked it. See, One Me Game says, got it, Joe. All in on HEX BABYGROK. No, you're missing the point. What's going on? You guys are crazy. Let's see here. Lenny Kid 777 says, cheers, Joe. Was late. I'll watch the replay. Nice, man. See, I started as a hobby miner. Nice. Very nice. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. Let me get with the DJ real quick so we can put on some music for about 10 seconds and then continue with our day. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. DJ, play some music. 10 seconds.